In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see folders in the Yahoo Mail app. This is an important skill to master, as accessing your folders helps you to stay organized and find your emails quickly. Let's start by opening the Yahoo Mail app on your phone. You will see the familiar Yahoo interface designed for ease of use. Look for the app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tapping the icon will launch the app, bringing you directly to your inbox. This initial step is crucial because it sets the stage for accessing all your email folders. Once the app is open, the next action is to tap your profile picture or the menu icon in the upper left corner. This icon is typically circular and may display your profile picture or a default avatar. When you tap it, a side menu will slide out, revealing various options related to your account. This menu is key because it provides access to different parts of your Yahoo Mail experience, including your folders. You might notice that this is where you can manage your account settings and preferences, which can enhance your email experience. After that, scroll down to the Folders section. You will see a list of your folders, including essential ones like Inbox, Sent, Drafts, and Spam. This section is vital because it gives you quick access to where your emails are stored. By familiarizing yourself with this layout, you can navigate through your emails more efficiently. You may feel a sense of relief knowing that your important emails are just a tap away. Next, tap any folder such as Inbox, Sent, Drafts, Spam, or your custom folders to open it. Doing this will display all the emails contained within that folder. When you open a folder, you can view your messages and manage them as needed. This step matters because it allows you to organize your emails according to your preferences. You might find it helpful to regularly check these folders to stay on top of your communications. If you have the newest version of the app, your folders are located below your profile and account information. This placement is designed for easy access, allowing you to quickly find what you need. The user interface is streamlined, making it simple to stay organized. If you notice this layout, rejoice. It means you are using an updated version that enhances your email management experience. On older versions, however, you may need to tap the inbox icon first to display the folder list. This additional step may seem minor, but is important for accessing your folders in an older interface. Remember, older versions can sometimes lead to confusion, but knowing this will empower you. Once you tap inbox, you'll see the folder list appear, and you can continue on with your email tasks. By following these steps, you can efficiently see your folders in the Yahoo Mail app. Remember, knowing where to find your emails is crucial for effective communication. With practice, navigating through your folders will become second nature. Now you can enjoy a more organized email experience. Thank you for watching and happy emailing.